Okay.
Dude, it's too fucking dark in here.
Once again, Jason fucked
Go
up.
stand under the light. Like,
Do your sinner now.
Hey, John, we're on video here. Don't be talking no shit.
Oh, it's fucking
All right.
blue. There we go.
I'm on your team, remember? Don't fucking talk shit on me. I'm on your
Once
team.
again.
All right, check this shit out. Jason, gonna be showing you fucking pool. Pools for fools. Here it is. I'm gonna do a fucking jump shot of this ball, which is actually my ball. Gonna knock that ball into some pocket somewhere. I learned not to call my shot because it don't fucking work. Kelly, don't talk no shit on the video. All right, here we go. John, I'm on your team. Watch and learn. Everybody get ready to fucking cheer. This is gonna be the fucking shit. Ready? Oh, and I am buzzing just slightly, yes. Ready?
That sucked.
you rock, baby. You the man.
I guess I didn't go as well as planned. You know what? Suck this.